we are talking about butterflies, and this is called butterfly inspection. Now, these butterflies are known as painted lady butterflies, which they have a bit of monarch in them, but they're actually painted lady ones. Basically, butterflies have wings so they can fly around that much.
Makeup.
Okay.
Tell me about the stages of a butterfly.
So a butterfly would lay eggs, like a lot of eggs. Then they hatch into little itty bitty caterpillars, like probably the size like here, this.
Yeah.
Then they grow a little bit longer like this. They run around trying to find some food, and then a couple of days later they become cocoons.
Well, about a week later, right?
Yeah, a week later. Basically,
what's another word for cocoon?
A chrysalis.
Very good. That's a big word.
So the cocoon would hang from somewhere, and it would hang somewhere here. What would hang? The top.
Okay. Then what happens?
And then the butterfly would emerge out of it.
Nice word, emerge.
The wings would be wet and not that dry. They had to wait a couple minutes to dry. Then and a couple minutes later, the wings will
a couple days later.
And a couple days later, the wings will dry up and now they can fly around like the butterfly they are.
And tell me about what we're feeding them.
We are feeding them sugar with cotton on the bottom.
Sugar water, yeah.
And finally, and last but not least, we have 3 different oranges. We have oranges. The butterflies, they fly with the wings.
Very good. When are we letting them go, honey?
Tomorrow.
Oh gosh! And how do you feel about these butterflies?
They're pretty adorable and cute. They
really are. All right, before we finish and sign off, tell me about the 3 parts of the butterfly, the main parts.
We have the thorax.
Yeah.
What? The thorax in the middle, the head, and finally the abdomen. The abdomen is the one where they lay the eggs.
What are those 2 things sticking out on the top called? Yeah, those.
Those are antennae, where they can have sensors.
Very good. And the final part that helps them fly.
The wings.
Very good.
So thank you for joining me on Butterfly Inspection.